Good morning to all the third BCom computers and general students. We are going to learn about the subject called as banking theory and practice. And today, in this subject, we are going to discuss about commercial banks and its functions. Already, I explained this topic to you. Once again, I am repeating. Why I am repeating is for the sake of revision, as well as everyone should maintain the notes of this subject, whatever I am giving you. Now, please note down the notes. Revision classes, it is one of the important long answer for final examinations. Important long answer, it may be 12 marks answer for the final examinations. Please note down the answer. Importance of the commercial banks. You can see the importance of the commercial banks here. Please note down the point. Drive. First point is over. Importance only, the continuation. Second point, please note on the second point. I am going to check the notes now. Whenever you are going to come to the college, I am going to check these two answers. One is RBI long answer as well as commercial banks long answer. Please note down the points clearly because they are compulsory answers for the final examination. This is the second point of importance. Commercial banks are important because they lend money to people, accept deposits, process checks and payments, and offer secure havens for treasured items. Commercial banks also attract large amount of capital from investors. I hope second point is over. Please note down the third point of the importance. I am waiting for you all to note down the third point very neatly and clearly. Commercial banks acts as a control mechanism for the flow of capital as noted by Investopedia. This allows the banks to become prosperous, increasing the stock value for investors, particularly in banking. Next point. Commercial banks are places where people interact with these institutions every day as reported by Investopedia. For instance, debit card transactions, and making online payments are everyday encounters for commercial banks. Many people desires loans and credits from banks, agreeing to pay the money back at a later date. Next point. Commercial institutions are especially crucial for small business because owners rely on loans and credit to help their business thrive. According to the Huntston Chronicle, owners can also get business debit cards from banks, which are helpful when keeping track of various transactions. Many banks have investments departments that guide customers on matters of market finance. Small business owners can foster closer ties with loan department by also contacting the investment wing, and owners can gain sound financial advice that pertains to stocks and bonds. Please note down this point, all of you. Next, you can see the picture of commercial banks and its primary functions and secondary functions. When you see the primary functions, you are able to see 6 primary functions. I repeat, 6 primary functions are seen here. First one is acceptance of deposits. Second point is advancing loans. Third one is creation of credit. Fourth one is clearing of checks. Fifth one is financing of foreign trade. Sixth one, remittance of funds. These are the primary functions you are able to see on the chart. You can also see the secondary functions which are available on the chart. In the secondary functions, we have 2 types of functions. First one is the agency services and the next one is the general utility services. How many secondary functions are there? Are 2 types of secondary functions. One is agency services and general utility functions. Under the loans of advances, you are able to see overdraft, cash credit, discounting trade bills, money at call, term loans, consumer credit, miscellaneous advances. So, primary functions, you are able to see the primary functions here. I repeat all the students to note down the primary functions. I am giving 3 minutes time for you to note down these points. Under the primary functions, you are able to 6 points. Under the 6 points, first two are explained here. Please note down. I am giving the time for you people to note down. Please note down very neatly. Under the primary functions only, under the first point we are in, please note down these points. Second point explanation is given here. Please note on the second point, advancing loans, and again under advancing loans we have various side headings. Please note down neatly all of you. Second point only, loans and advances, under that the next two. Cash credit and discounting bills of exchange. Fourth point, money at call and term loans. Please note down it. Fifth and sixth points, consumer credit and miscellaneous advances. This is under the second point only, the side headings, loans and advances. Under that only these two. Overall 6 points are there under the second side heading. Please note it down very neatly. Now you are able to see the third point under the primary functions, that is creation of credit and promote the use of checks. Please note down these two. Fifth and sixth points, financing internal and foreign trade, remittance of funds. These two also comes under primary functions of commercial banks. Please note down. Secondary functions, we have two types of secondary functions. First one is the agency services and next one is the general utility services. And the agency functions, banks also perform certain agency functions. So the agency functions you are going to see: collection and payment of credit instruments, purchase and sale of securities, collection of dividends on shares, acts as correspondent. Please note it down. We are under the secondary functions, that is agency functions. First 4 points are here. Please note down very neatly. Next, fifth, sixth and seventh points: income tax consultancy, execution of standing orders, acts as a trustee and executor. These are under the agency functions, that is secondary functions. First one, agency. Under the agency we have 6 points till now. Please note down very neatly, all of you. Very important answer for your final examinations. Please revise. As soon as you note down in the notes, please revise this. Next, general utility services and the secondary functions. The second functions are general utility services. In this you are able to see locker facility, travelers checks and credit cards, letter of credit, collection of the statistics. Next, acting referee, understanding securities, gift checks, accepting bills of exchange on behalf of customers, merchant banking. Under the secondary functions, general utility services, nearly we have 8 to 9 points. Please note down this 8 to 9 points. Thank you, students. It is a notes class. Very important long answer for your final examination. I request all the students to note down this answer. Thank you very much. Because my voice is not clear, I am suffering with cold. I can't explain, means already I explained this topic, but once again I am giving the notes here. Please note it down.